These are sunny days in many ways. I'm sailing on through a smoky haze. I still believe that love was true. When I think about someone I knew, I sing to folks I feel I know, in all the places where the lonely people go. They smile and say, we've been there too. When I think about someone I knew, I taste the wine and it feels alright. And somebody's always there to take me home each night. And the hardest thing is knowing what to do. When I think about someone I knew, I treat them well, and it's too bad, 'cause you know they love me just the way I wish you had. And peace of mind is long overdue. When I think about someone I knew, these are early days, and you can bet, though it's been over for so long, still ain't over yet. I still believe that love was true. When I think about someone I knew, and peace of mind is long overdue. When I think about someone I knew, yeah, peace of mind is long overdue. When I think about someone I know the hardest thing is knowing what to do.